How to fix Capital One bank app not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Capital One, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether a problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General, hit towards the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Now open the app Capital One. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, click on the option of Delete app. You'll get the pop-up Delete app. Click on that option. With that, the app will be deleted from your device. Then you can close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, then search for the app Capital One. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Capital One bank app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.